Wanna know how to enter or play Metro Royale in PUBG Mobile? Well, no worries. In this video, I'm going to show you an easy step-by-step guide on how to do it. It's super simple, so let's get right into it. Now, first off, simply open up your PUBG Mobile application. And once you're there, just simply select your map, choosing icon right here on the left side. So once you've done that, right here beside Arena, you should see Metro Royale. So simply select Metro Royale right here. And now simply select this big icon of Metro Royale. Now once you've done, you should be directed to Metro Royale's front page. So in order to start Metro Royale, you can just simply select start on the left side right here. And you can do something more, such as heading towards loadout, selecting your guns and much more. And that's it. After that is done, you can just simply select start. And after that, you should be directed and queued with other players. And that's it. Super simple and easy. I hope this video helped. If it did, make sure to like, subscribe and tune in with us for more of these videos. See you in the next one.